Here I've got NOKIA 6.1 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Then you should go to the accounts and click on add account. Just select the proper source, so in my case it will be Google. Wait a couple of seconds. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. And now you can either create a new account by tapping on here, or you can log in with yours, so I will do it because I already have it, and it's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password. If you will click on the eye icon, you will be able to check if you are typing it correctly. So just let me enter mine off the screen. And as only it is entered, simply click on, and just give me a sec to locate it. It's here. Click on next. And then come along with all the terms of service and also privacy policy. So if you will click on the links, you will be able to come along with all the terms, and if you agree with them, click on I agree. And here is also the backup and storage app, so accept it, the very useful feature from Google. And that's it. Now you've got the Google account here, so let me open the settings one more time. Go to the accounts, and here you will see the HardReset.Info on Gmail, so it's your Google account included in the NOKIA 6.1. Then if you would like to remove this account from your device, simply click on the current one and tap on remove account. Confirm that you would like to remove this account from your device by tapping on remove account. And as you can see, it's no longer here. So actually that would be all. This how you can remove and add account on your NOKIA 6.1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.